Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Bitpanda's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Bitpanda's account, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.bitpanda.com and make a search. The official page of Bitpanda will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and the home page of Bitpanda will appear on the screen. Now to log out of your Bitpanda's account, tap on Panda icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on Logout option just above your profile name. It will log you out of your account in no time. This is how you can sign out of your Bitpanda's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.